Hello guys, welcome to another video on Cassy World YouTube channel. In today's video, we are going to learn about how to make $400 per week using GetResponse. If you are still struggling to make money, or you are just a beginner at making money online, make sure you join my free webinar as I give you the step-by-step guide to get started and make consistent passive income online. The link to join this free webinar is in the description box below. Click on it to join for free. And a quick advice, make sure you watch this video to the end to get the most value out of it. Let's start with today's video without wasting too much of your time. People who use the internet and business owners are both interested in how to make money with GetResponse. You will learn all the tried and true ways to sign up for GetResponse and make serious money with the all-in-one marketing platform. Let me start by telling you what you can do with GetResponse. It is a marketing software that helps businesses sell their goods and services more easily. Lastly, GetResponse lets you get leads, that is, emails and other contact information from potential customers, and automatically sell online from any kind of products. In this video, I will show you some easy steps you can take to make at least $400 per week. Step 1. Sign up for an account on the GetResponse website. More importantly, sign up for the basic plan, which will only cost you $10.46 per month. This plan gives you 1,000 email subscribers, which is just what you need for the strategy. Don't forget that we will use this email autoresponder to collect emails from prospects and then send them emails to try to get them to buy our products. Step 2. Sign up for a free account on a website called DripScripts. DripScripts lets you make your own versions of proven email sequences that are set up to turn leads into customers. There are a lot of email sequences on this website, such as re-engagement of cold subscribers. Use this sequence to get people who haven't opened or clicked on your emails in a while to do so again. We also have product launch. Use this sequence to promote any new product or limited time offer with an open and close cut period. Post-webinar sales. Use this sequence also to turn webinar attendees and registrants into sales automatically after your webinar is over. We will focus on the product launch sequence for the purposes of this strategy. With this, you will have access to a large number of email sequences that you can use to promote your products. Step 3. Join affiliate networks like ClickBank, Warrior Plus, Share a Sale, CJ Affiliates, and others. And then choose a digital product to promote to earn commissions. Affiliate marketing can be profitable, but it takes a lot of time and money to turn it into a business that can make money on its own. Step 4. Now that our sales funnel is set up, we need to get people to visit it so that we can turn potential buyers into sales and earn our commission. You can run paid ads like Google Ads, Facebook Ads, Bing Ads, etc. if you have a small budget. But if you don't have any money, you should use free ads. There are many places where you can get free traffic, but because they are available to everyone, they work differently for different people. To be successful, you need to learn about and master many of them. Here are some examples of ways to get free traffic. Search engine optimization, posting on Quora, post on Reddit. We have also YouTube, guest posting on other websites, direct traffic, social media, and email marketing. If you do the steps mentioned right, you can easily make a few sales a day, which will bring in at least 400 US dollars per week, if not more. Thanks for watching my video to this end. I hope you apply the tips in this video, but you must take action to get results. And the secret to generating income online is in my free webinar. Make sure you join to learn all the techniques the gurus use to make consistent passive income online. It's available worldwide and beginner friendly. Just click on the link below this video in the description to join the webinar and learn these secret tricks. And don't forget to like this video, leave below all your feedback and suggestions. And if you are new to this channel, don't also forget to subscribe and turn on the notification bell to receive alerts anytime I drop one of my awesome videos. Make sure you watch the other videos on your screen right now. See you in the next video.